हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, तो आज मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगी स्टोरी टॉम एंड मिक्की। लेट्स स्टार्ट। SEECTHE the FAT fat CAT cat. See the fat cat. HIS his NAME name. IS is TOM Tom. His name is Tom. HE he HES has SOFT soft FUR fur on HIS his BODY body. He has a soft fur on his body. TOM Tom SAYS says MEOW 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 meow. Tom says meow meow. THIS this IS is MICK mick. This is mick. HE he IS is a RAT rat. He is a rat. HE he IS is NOT not FAT fat. He is not fat. HE he LIKES likes. TO to EAT eat. CAKE cake. He likes to eat cake. TOM Tom AND and MICK mick ARER PALS. Tom and Mick are pals. TOM Tom LIVES lives. IN in HUT hat. Tom lives in a hut. THE the HUT hut. IS is MADE made. of MUD mud. The hut is made of mud. IT it IS is BY by THE the SEAC. It is by the sea. Tom and Mick are pals. Tom lives in a hut. The hut is made of mud. It is by the sea. MICK mick LIVES lives. IN a HOLE hole. Mick lives in a hole. THE the HOLE hole. IS is MADE made of SND sand. The hole is made of sand. IT it HES has NO no DOOR door. It has no door. IT it IS is NEXT next. TO 2. TOMS Tom's HUT hut. It is next to Tom's hut. Mick lives in a hole. The hole is made of sand. It has no door. It is next to Tom's hut. IT it IS is a HOT hot DAY day. It is a hot day. TOM Tom AND MICK mick GO go ON THE the SAND sand. Tom and Mick go on the sand. THEY day SIT sit on MAT mat. On THE the SAND sand. They sit on a mat on the sand. THEY they LWOK look. AT at THE the BLUE blue SEAC. They look at the blue sea. It is a hot day. Tom and Mick go on the sand. They sit on a mat on the sand. They look at the blue sea. TOM Tom HES has MILK milk. IN in a MUG mug. And AND HE he EATS eats AN EWG egg. And he eats an egg. MICK mick HES has TEAT IN in a CUP cup. AND he EATS eats a BUN bun WITH with JAM, jam, and he eats a bun with jam. Tom has milk in a mug and he eats an egg. Mick has tea in a cup and he eats a cup and he eats a bun with jam. TOM, Tom, AND and MICK, Mick, GO, go, FR, for, WALK, walk. Tom and Mick go for a walk. THEY, they, SWEC, a, BOAT, boat, BY, by, THE, the, SEAC, they see a boat by the sea. IT, it, EIS is a, BLACK, black, BOAT, boat. It is a black boat. THEY, they, GET, get, INTO, into, THE, the, BOAT, boat. Tom and Mick go for a walk. They see a boat by the sea. It is a black boat. They get into the boat. MICK, Mick, ROWS, rose, THE, the, BOAT, boat, on, THE, the, SEAC. TOM, Tom, HS, has, a, NAP, nap, in, THE, the, BOAT, boat. MICK, Mick, LWOKS, looks, FAR, far, AND, and SWES, sees, THE, the, BIG, big, SHIP, sheep, HE, he, ALSO, also, SWS, sees, a, BIRD, bird, in, THE, the, SKY, sky. Mick rows the boat on the sea. Tom has a nap in the boat. Mick looks far and sees the big ship. He also sees a bird in the sky. LWOK, look, at, TED, Ted, SAYS, says, MICK, Mick. TED, Ted, IS is a, PET, pet, PUP, pup. HE, he, IS is a, VERY, very, TINE, teeny, PUP, pup. He is a very teeny pup. He, SAYS, says, BOW, wow, WOW, wow. Look at Ted, says Mick. Ted is a pet pup. He is a very tiny pup. He says, bow wow. TED, Ted, HS, has a, HT, hat. TED, Ted, HS, has a, HT, hat. On, HIS, his, HED, head. He, HS, has a, BIG, big, PINK, pink, BALL, ball. He, PLAYS, plays, WITH, with, THE, the, BALL, ball. He, HS, has, FUN, fun, on, THE, the, SND, sand, BY, by, THE, the, SEAC. Ted has a hat on his head. He has a big pink ball. He plays with the ball. He has fun on the sand by the sea. HERE, hair. IS is KUSUM, kusum. Hair is kusum. SHE, she. IS is a, SMALL, small. GIRL, girl. SHE, she. IS is WITH, with. HER, her. FATHER, father. AND and MOTHER, mother. SHE, she. HES, has. A, DOLL, doll. in, HER, her. HND, hand. Here is kusum. She is a small girl. She is with her father and mother. She has a doll in her hand. KUSUM Kusum. SWS TED Ted. WITH with THE the. BALL ball. SHE she. LIKES likes. THE the. PINK pink. BALL ball. VERY very. MUCH much. SO so. SHE she. TAKES takes. THE the. BALL ball. AWAY away. FROM from. TED Ted. NOW now, comma, TED Ted. IS is SAD said. SWC HIM him. SOB sob. Kusum sees Ted with the ball. She likes the pink ball very much, so she takes the ball away from Ted. Now Ted is sad. See him sob. TOM Tom. AND MICK Mick. RUN run. FAST fast. TO2 HELP help. TED Ted. TOM Tom. RUNS runs. AFTER after. KUSUM Kusum. KUSUM Kusum. PUTS sports. THE the. BALL ball. on THE the. SAND sand. SHE she. RUNS runs. TO2 HER her. MOTHER mother. Tom and Mick run fast to help Ted. Tom runs after Kusum. Kusum puts the ball on the sand. She runs to her mother. TOM Tom. GIVES gives. TED Ted. THE the. PINK pink. BALL ball. TED Ted. IS is FULL full. OF of JOY joy. HE GIVES gives. TOM Tom. AND MICK Mick a HUG hug. NOW now, comma, TOM Tom, comma, MICK Mick AND TED Ted are ALL all. GOOD good. PALS pals. Tom gives Ted the pink ball. Ted is full of joy. He gives Tom and Mick a hug. Now Tom, Mick and Ted are all good pals. तो ये थी स्टोरी टॉम एंड मिक की। चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें। टेक केयर बच्चों।